I use World Remit, and you can you pick it up. You either go to BDO or Palawan or somewhere like that, and the money's instant. As soon as I send it, she comes in and the money's there. I mean, you've got your others like Western Union or bank-to-bank transfer. I don't know any method of getting a large amount of money here. Maybe somebody else knows. For example, if I had enough money in my bank account to transfer to start building here, and that goes for anybody, a means of actually getting the amount of money I need all at once to do what I need. I don't know of any facilities that does that, and I've had a look around, but they all seem to be like World Remitly, places like that. World Remit, you can only transfer 100,000 in any one transaction. Obviously the next day you can transfer another 100,000. I think it costs about £10, which is just under $12, I believe, or is it around $12? So Mel says that Plaza's not open yet, but I just want to go and have a look, because here things can change overnight. You know, 1 minute Plaza would be open and then there's a load of war around Plaza. So we'll go over there and have a look in a minute. Well, do you know what? There's not as many people in Centro as I thought there'd be, and there's quite a few shops still shut down. Now, like we said at the beginning, everybody can come out now. So there's no reason why there shouldn't be a lot of people here, unless of course there's not a lot of people who's got money, not working, etc. That would make sense. So Plaza's still closed, and if you watched the video from the other day when I went this way and we looked over, it's actually I'll take some of them in a minute, babe. It's actually finished off from what I can see. Alright, babe, yeah. Okay, look. See? I've just given her some money and she could go and buy something new, but she won't go and buy anything new. She just wants to buy second hand. So there's one thing, I didn't end up with a gold digger, that is for sure, because she doesn't really care about much else. Oh look, now you see, it looks to me like it's finished, but they're doing some kind of wood sculpture over there. Let's go and have a look, see if we can see what they're doing. See, look at it, how empty it is. It's not normally like this. I think they might have raised this a bit. There's a bit of a hole here. You can look through. Oh, yeah, look, wood sculpture. Can we see? Oh, very good. I mean, I guess they'll probably not open up until all this is over with. So these guys here are ones that will pull you up if you haven't got your mask or you're not social distancing, that kind of stuff. But honestly, literally, if I've got my mask over my nose for too long, I literally can't breathe. I've got to take it off my nose, and even when I do that and I can't breathe through my mouth, it's still quite difficult. But the rules are the rules, and if you break them, come on, let's go and have a look, see what she's looking at, eh? She's there, look. And don't forget, guys, you come over here, as crossing isn't a crossing as you're aware of. And what I mean by that is, if you step on a crossing in the west, the cars and motorbikes and trucks are supposed to stop. They don't here. You've got to be careful because they'll just run you over. Hello, Mom. How are you, Mom? What are you buying, Mom? No, they won't, Mom. Because they don't know I'm with you, Mom. No, they don't, Mom. So that's it. Oh, there's music. You know, I keep forgetting there's music. And then she says, go away or they'll charge me more. And the price is on the rail.
I did not see the... Can I apologize?
Yeah, of course you can. Right, go on then, apologise. See how much battery I've got left. It's not telling me how much battery I've got left. Now this new camera's a bit weird. The menu on it and everything's a bit weird. On the other one you could see where the battery was, but until you stop recording on this one you can't see what the battery life is. So if you look across the road, guys, that was a Jolly Bean. It went on fire. Now it doesn't look like it's going to be finished anytime soon, and that's assuming they're going to actually refurbish it. I think probably until after all this is over, if it's ever over, they'll probably not be doing it till then. So I got asked to come over and take a bit of video of this part of Naga, which I've done before, but just, well, 2 or 3 occasions I guess.
Oh, I'm gonna buy that.
I even did some drone footage. Where?
Greenwich. Later after you're done.
Greenwich? Where are you getting all this money from? I only give you 50 pesos.
That's what you know.
Because I'm curry pot, right? So they said they wanted to have a look at this square. That's the Starview Hotel. That's another hotel. That's an option. It's quite a nice hotel if you want to come to Naga and stay for a few days. The church here is quite nice. When there's any religious ceremonies going on, Mel and the family normally comes to this one, don't they? Yeah. So I thought you liked Shakey's Pizza.
Yeah, but we need to go to SM.
Yeah, so what's your problem?
It's alright.
So there's McDucknall's there. Yeah. Over there, look. And a KFC. I forgot about that KFC.
A Biggs as well. Biggs.
Yeah, Biggs. Always give Biggs a visit, guys, because they do a fantastic burger. It's massive. It's hard to eat it all. So we still got the few street vendors. The church is open. It wasn't open the other day, so it looks like things are sort of a little bit, well, I can't even say it's a little bit busier. It doesn't seem any more busier than when before they got rid of.
Maybe later because it's morning.
Well, yeah, but even in the morning, babe, it's been quite busy. Yet another downpour, guys. I just thought I'd put this on the end of the video. We haven't been back long, about 30 minutes, something like that. And then the heavens open up. But now the water's coming down that roof. The inside of there must be an absolute mess. Because ever since that bad typhoon, the roof's never been fixed. There's nobody living in there, or at least I don't think so. Although, I guess it wouldn't surprise me. Look at that. I love it. It's brilliant. It'd be nice if I was in Saruma now in our own bungalow next to the sea. And we're watching this from the patio outside, and hopefully a little swimming pool. One can dream. They're still playing basketball. Look at the kids. They're all out in it, lot. Oh, it's blowing in here now. Oh, let's shut this. See, even rain doesn't deter them. I mean, really, the kids shouldn't be outside. I guess it's alright. Welcome to the Philippines. 1 minute lovely and sunny, the next minute tropical storm. There's Ella, look. So over to you, Mal.
Please hit the like button and please subscribe and share our videos. Bye.
Bye bye.
Please subscribe to Brit in the Philippines.
I'm walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight.